Pack your bags, adventure calls. It whispers of uncharted territories, vibrant cultures, and experiences that will redefine your world. The open road beckons with the promise of breathtaking landscapes, thrilling encounters, and memories that will last a lifetime. Are you ready to answer the call? The world is vast and brimming with wonder, a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Every corner holds a new adventure, a chance to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. Let the spirit of exploration guide you. You won't regret it. Imagine standing on a pristine beach, the turquoise waves crashing at your feet, the warm sun kissing your skin. The gentle breeze carries the scent of salt and freedom, inviting you to leave your worries behind. As you dig your toes into the soft, warm sand, you feel a sense of peace wash over you. The rhythmic sound of the waves is like nature's lullaby, soothing your soul and calming your mind. This is a place where time stands still, and the beauty of the natural world takes center stage. Picture yourself hiking through lush rainforests, the air thick with the scent of exotic flowers, the sound of unseen creatures filling your ears. Each step you take is a journey into the heart of nature's most vibrant and diverse ecosystems. The canopy above filters the sunlight, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. You pause to admire a brilliantly colored flower, its petals glistening with morning dew. The calls of exotic birds and the rustle of leaves create a symphony of sounds that is both exhilarating and humbling. Here, you are a guest in nature's grand theater. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches of the Caribbean, the world is teeming with natural wonders that will leave you breathless. Imagine standing at the base of a towering mountain, its peak shrouded in clouds, feeling the crisp, cool air fill your lungs. Or lying on a beach, the sun warming your skin as you listen to the gentle lapping of the waves. Each of these places offers a unique glimpse into the beauty and majesty of our planet. They remind us of the incredible diversity and wonder that exists in the world around us. Explore hidden waterfalls, trek through ancient forests, and witness the raw power of nature. Imagine the thrill of discovering a secluded waterfall, its waters cascading into a crystal-clear pool below. The air is filled with the sound of rushing water and the scent of damp earth. As you trek through ancient forests, you can almost hear the whispers of the trees, each one telling a story of centuries gone by. Standing by a powerful river, you feel the ground tremble beneath your feet, a reminder of nature's immense power and beauty. These experiences connect us to the earth in a profound and meaningful way. These experiences will stay with you long after you return home, fueling your desire for more adventures. The memories of your travels become a part of you, shaping your perspective and enriching your life. Whether it's the awe-inspiring landscapes, the thrill of discovery, or the simple joy of being in nature, these moments leave an indelible mark on your soul. They inspire you to seek out new horizons, to explore the unknown, and to embrace the beauty and wonder of the world. So go forth and let the untamed beauty of nature be your guide. Travel is more than just sightseeing. It's about connecting with different cultures, understanding their traditions, and embracing their way of life. Engage with locals, learn a few phrases in their language, and savor the unique flavors of their cuisine. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of humanity. Witness ancient rituals, learn the art of haggling in bustling marketplaces, and share stories with people from all walks of life. These interactions will broaden your perspective, deepen your understanding of the world, and create lasting memories. Section 4. Adrenaline Rush. Adventures in the wild blue yonder. For the thrill seekers, the world is your playground. Imagine soaring high above the ocean, the wind rushing past you as you parasail, or the heart-pounding excitement of free-falling from an airplane while skydiving. These are the moments that make you feel truly alive. Push your limits, challenge yourself, and experience the exhilaration of adventure. Whether it's scaling a sheer rock face with your closest friends, riding the crest of a massive wave on your surfboard, or navigating a rugged mountain trail on your bike, each adventure brings its own unique thrill. Go whitewater rafting down raging rivers, feeling the rush of the rapids as you and your team navigate the twists and turns. The power of the water beneath you, the spray in your face, and the camaraderie of your fellow adventurers make for an unforgettable experience. Bungee jump from dizzying heights, the ground far below as you take the leap of faith. The moment of freefall, the adrenaline coursing through your veins, and the ultimate rebound back up make for a heart-stopping adventure. Or soar through the air on a zipline, gliding over lush forest canopies and breathtaking mountain landscapes. The sense of freedom and the stunning views make ziplining an exhilarating way to connect with nature. Feeling adventurous? Try your hand at scuba diving in coral reefs teeming with marine life. Explore the vibrant underwater world, swimming alongside colorful fish and discovering the hidden treasures of the ocean. Hike to the summit of a majestic mountain, where the journey is as rewarding as the destination. The sense of accomplishment as you reach the top, the breathtaking views, and the serenity of the high altitudes make it a truly enriching experience. Or take to the skies in a hot air balloon. Drift peacefully over scenic landscapes, watching the world below as the sun rises, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. It's a tranquil yet thrilling way to see the world from a new perspective. These adrenaline-pumping experiences will test your courage, ignite your spirit, and push you to new heights. Each adventure is a story waiting to be told, a memory waiting to be made, and leave you craving more. The bonds you form, the challenges you overcome, and the sheer joy of living life to the fullest are what make these adventures truly unforgettable. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the wild blue Yonder and let the adventures begin. Section 5. The Feast of Life, Savoring Global Flavors. Travel is a feast for the senses, and no culinary adventure is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. From street food stalls to Michelin-starred restaurants, the world offers an explosion of flavors waiting to be savored. Sample exotic fruits, indulge in spicy curries, and treat your taste buds to the unique flavors of each destination. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. You might just discover your new favorite dish. Section 6. The Transformative Power of Travel, a New Perspective. Travel is not just about the destinations, it's about the journey. It's about the experiences you gather along the way, the people you meet, and the stories you create. Each step you take, each path you explore, adds a new chapter to your personal story, and the transformative power it holds. It challenges your perceptions, pushing you to see the world through a different lens. The beauty of travel lies in its ability to make you question what you know and embrace what you don't. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth, broadens your horizons and leaves you with a fresh perspective on yourself and the world around you. When you travel, you step outside your comfort zone, immersing yourself in environments that are often vastly different from your own. This exposure to new cultures and ways of life can be both humbling and enlightening. Embrace the unfamiliar and learn to adapt to new situations. You encounter different cultures, each with its own unique traditions, languages, and customs. These experiences teach you to appreciate the diversity of human life and the richness it brings to our world. Beliefs and ways of life which challenge your preconceived notions and broaden your understanding of the world. You return home a changed person, with a deeper sense of empathy and a broader worldview. The memories you create while traveling become a part of you, shaping your identity and influencing your future choices. Enriched by your experiences and with a renewed appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our planet, travel teaches you to value the simple moments like watching a sunrise over a distant horizon or sharing a laugh with a stranger. It reminds you that the world is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So embrace the journey, cherish the experiences, and let travel transform you in ways you never imagined. Section 7. It's your turn. Answer the call of adventure. The world is waiting to be explored. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book that ticket, and embark on an epic adventure that will ignite your soul. Embrace the unknown, say yes to new experiences, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The world is your oyster, and the time to explore it is now. Go, the adventure of a lifetime awaits.